Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinalo ng Kyoto Hanares ang Susano Magic 84-74. Top performer ng Kyoto Hanares si Charles Jackson sa likod na kanang 10 points, 14 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 blocks. Para naman sa natalong Susano Magic, James Michael Macado, 13 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists, 3 steals at 2 blocks. Panalo naman ang Yokohama B Corsairs kontra sa Utsunomiya Bricks 80-72. Top performer ng Yokohama B Corsairs si Kiefer Rabena sa likod na kanang 14 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Para naman sa natalong Utsunomiya Bricks, Grant Jarrett 24 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist, 4 steals at 3 blocks. Tinambakan naman ng Ibaraki Robots ang Shegalex 93-66. Top performer ng Ibaraki Robots si Robert Frank sa likod na kanang 19 points, 15 rebounds, 1 assist at 2 blocks. Para naman sa natalong Shigalex, Brock Motom 15 points, 10 rebounds at 2 assists. Dinaig naman ng Sunrocker Shibuya ang Osaka Evesa 71-66. Top performer ng Sunrocker Shibuya si Kevin Jones sa likod na kanang 17 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Osaka Evesa, Ray Parks Jr. 20 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Panalo naman ang Akita Northern Happinets kontra sa Libanga Hokkaido 83-77. Top performer ng Akita Northern Happinets si Paul Tanner Lisner sa likod na kanyang 15 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists at 3 steals. Para naman sa natalong Libanga Hokkaido, Dwight Ramos 6 points, 3 rebounds at 3 assists. Tinambakan naman ng Gunma Crane Thunders ang Saga Ballooners 84-70. Top performer ng Gunma Crane si Trey Jones sa likod ng kanyang 16 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Saga Ballooners, Yoli Childs 17 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 steals at 1 block. Tinambakan din ng Koshigaya Alpas ang Kawasaki Brave Thunders 101-77. Nagtala si Kai Soto ng 6 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Kawasaki Brave, Matthew Wright 11 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist at 2 steals. Huwagi naman ang Sun N Neo Phoenix kontra sa Chiba Jets 87-79. Top performer ng Sun X si David Nwaba sa likod na kanang 17 points, 11 rebounds at 2 assists. Para naman sa natalong Chiba Jets, Yugi Togashi 37 points, 4 rebounds at 2 assists. Tinambakan naman ng Seahorses Mikawa ang Sendai 89ers 94-78. Top performer ng Mikawa si Davante Gardner sa likod na kanang 16 points, 9 rebounds, 7 assists at 1 steal. Para naman sa natalong Sendai 89ers, Nathan Bott 24 points, 10 rebounds at 3 assists. Pinataob naman ng Hiroshima Dragonflies ang Fighting Eagles Nagoya 89-80. Top performer ng Dragonflies si Dwayne Evans sa likod na kanang 18 points, 12 rebounds, 5 assists, 3 steals at 2 blocks. Para naman sa natalong Fighting Eagles Nagoya, Aaron Henry 36 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists, 3 steals at 1 block. Tinambakan naman ng Albark Tokyo ang Nagasaki Vilca 89-52. Top performer ng Albark Tokyo si Ryan Rossiter sa likod ng kanyang 12 points, 12 rebounds, 8 assists at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Nagasaki Vilca, nagtala si Eiji Edo ng 5 points, 1 rebound at 1 steal. Tinambakan din ng Ryukyu Golden Kings ang Nagoya Diamond Dolphins 86-68. Top performer ng Ryukyu Golden Kings si Victor Loh sa likod ng kanyang 15 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists at 3 steals. Para naman sa natalong Nagoya Diamond Dolphins, Scott Atherton 21 points, 10 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of December 7, 2024. Albark Tokyo 15 wins, 2 losses. Sun N Neo Phoenix 14 wins, 3 losses. Chiba Jets 14 wins, 3 losses. Utsunomiya 13 wins, 4 losses. Susano Magic 12 wins, 5 losses. Ryukyu Golden Kings 12 wins, 5 losses. Seahorses Mikawa 12 wins, 5 losses. Gunma Crane Thunders 11 wins, 6 losses. Sunrocker Shibuya 11 wins, 6 losses. Akita Northern Happinets 10 wins, 7 losses. Ang koponan ni Ray Parks na Osaka Evesa 9 wins, 8 losses. Kyoto Hanares 8 wins, 9 losses. Nagoya Diamond Dolphins 8 wins 9 losses. Saga Ballooner 7 wins 10 losses. Ang koponan ni Kiefer Rabina na Yokohama B Corsair 6 wins 10 losses. Ang koponan ni AJ Edo na Nagasaki Vilca 7 wins 10 losses. Hiroshima Dragonfly 6 wins 11 losses. Ang koponan ni Kai Soto na Kushigaya Alpas 5 wins 12 losses. Ang koponan naman ni Dwight Ramos na Livanka Hokkaido 5 wins 12 losses. Fighting Eagles Nagoya 5 wins 12 losses. Sendai 89ers 4 wins 13 losses. Ebaraki Robots 4 wins 13 losses. Ang koponan ni Matthew Wright na Kawasaki Brave Thunders 4 wins 13 losses. Shiga Lakes 1 win 16 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ng December 8, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang Susano Magic at Kyoto Hanares alas 12:35 ng tanghali. Maglalaban din ang Sendai 89ers at Seahorses Pikawa alauna 5 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Yokohama B Corsairs at Utsunomiya Bricks alauna 5 ng hapon. Maghaharap din ang Shiga Lakes at Ibaraki Robots alauna 5 ng hapon. Kakaharapin naman ng Osaka Ivesa ang Sunrocker Shibuya alauna 5 ng hapon. Magsasagupa naman ang Livanga Hokkaido at Akita Northern Happinets alauna 5 ng hapon. Magtutos naman ang Ganma Crane Thunders at Saga Ballooners alas 2:05 ng hapon. Magtutos din ang Kushigaya Alpas at Kawasaki Brave Thunders alas 2:05 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Sun and Neo Phoenix at Chiba Jets alas 2:05 ng hapon. Maglalaban din ang Fighting Eagles Nagoya at Hiroshima Dragonflies alas 2:35 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Nagasaki Vilca at Albark Tokyo alas 4:05 ng hapon. Magsasagupa naman ang Ryukyu Golden Kings at Nagoya Diamond Dolphins alas 5:05 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.